Hello everyone, welcome back to Lit League. In this video, we are going to discuss active and passive voice. In this video, we are going to discuss the introduction about active and passive voice and the grammar rules, what are the tricks, also the examples and the exercises. Introduction. Active voice and passive voice are two ways of constructing sentences in English. They differ in the way they expresses the relationship between the subject, the verb, and the object in a sentence. The rules. In active voice sentences, the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. Active voice sentences are straightforward and direct. In active voice sentences, the subject performs the action. Here, the example is the cat chased the mouse. Here, the subject is the cat. The cat performs the action. In the passive voice sentences, the object of the action becomes the subject of the sentence. In passive voice sentences, often focus on the action or the result of the action rather than the doer. So here the object comes the subject, the mouse was chased by the cat. Key differences and usage. Active voice highlights who or what is performing the action, but passive voice emphasizes what or who is affected by the action. Active voice is often clearer and more direct, while the passive voice can be used to shift focus or omit the doer or the action. Active voice is commonly used in storytelling and everyday communications, but passive voice is used in formal writing, scientific reports, and when the focus is on the action rather than the doer. Let's go with the rules. Now, number one, you must identify the object in the given sentence. When you change the active voice into passive, you must start with identifying the object in the given sentence. Look for the object in the active voice sentence. This is often the receiver of the action. The cat chased the mouse. The object of the sentence is the mouse. So you must identify the object first. Number two, you must find the verb and the tense. Identify the action being performed in the sentence. What is the performance here in the sentence? Chasing, chased. So identify the action being performed in the sentence. This is the verb. Number three, switch the subject and object. You must switch over the subject and object. Make the object of the active voice sentence the subject of the passive voice sentence. Here in the example, the object of the sentence is the mouse, so you must make the object into subject. Number four, use a form of to be plus past participle. Add a form of the verb to be. Example is am, or, was, were, be verbs before the past participle of the main verb. Here in the given sentence, the tense is past tense. And number five, change the verb to past participle. Now you must change the verb to its past participle. So chase, chased, chased. Here in the example sentence, we must convert the past participle as chased, the same. Rule number six, add by plus doer of the action. If needed, add by followed by the doer of the action. Here goes the answer. The cat chased the mouse. Coming to the application of the rules here in detail, the cat subject, chased verb, the mouse object. Coming to the rule number one, object moved to the beginning. What is the object here? The mouse. Appropriate form of to be was. Since the active sentence is in the past tense, so it is already changed. So we are not supposed to change past participle, the same changed. Past participle of the verb chase is changed. So there is no change in the verb here. Complete sentence. Now, here it goes. The mouse object came to the subject. The mouse was chased. Add by plus doer of the action. Who's the doer here? The cat. The mouse was chased by the cat. Now, here I have given you two exercise where you have to change the active voice left side. The teacher praised the students. The I completed the assignment yesterday. These are the two sentences which you have to convert, change into passive voice. The next one, a new bridge was built over the river by them. The house was damaged by the storm. These are the passive voice sentences, and you must convert into active voice. You can give the answers in the comment box. If there is any queries or any doubts, that can be shared also in the comment box. That will be discussed in the separate video. That's all about today's grammar active voice and the passive voice. Thank you for joining with Little League. Thank you for listening.